Hi everybody, my name is Kim Peterson and I am a local Kirkland, Washington resident and community builder. And I'm thinking of you as I just was off the phone from Evergreen Hospital with regards to trying to understand and get some clarification of what their immediate PPE needs are. And as such, I thought to share with you. As we know, there is an urgent demand for our help, and your donations are very welcome. What I want you to know is I have a prioritized list that is, some of the items are very specific. So if you have paper or pen, feel free to grab those out. But these are 5 items that Evergreen Hospital needs right now in order of priority. Number 1 are safety goggles. These are called safety splash goggles. They have some specific requirements. They must have fog vents, and in the product description, if it says fog vents or anti-fog or indirect vent, this is what you need, this is what you want to know, and this is what they need right now. Now, Jennifer, the coordinator at Evergreen, said that these are generally between $1 to $2 at Staples-ish. And she wants us to be aware of price gouging because while they really need our help and they want our support, she says she's been seeing an increase of price gouging, sometimes up to 2,000%. The number 2 need that Evergreen Hospital has right now and could use your support with is curating face masks. There are 3 types of face masks that they are accepting right now. The number 1 request is face mask number 8120. That's 8120. That's the mask and that's the ID number. There are many brands out there and any brand will do, but it is item number 8120. Now, regarding the N95 mask, she said those really can't be used because they need to be fitted to the individual. However, she says if you have those masks to donate, then bring them in anyway, the N95 masks, and they will figure out how to get those to work. That's how desperate they are in need of face masks. The 3rd mask that they are requesting are yellow disposable cone masks. She said these are typically sold at pharmacies and the sizes that are needed, regular and small. So sizes regular and small of yellow disposable cone masks. There are 2 things you want to consider as you curate these donations. At this time, they are not able to accept any open packages. So all packaging must be closed. The 3rd most important need they have in terms of PPE are the full face shields. Jennifer said these are like the big shields that you would see a construction worker might use. There is a band that goes around your head, and it's so that their staff can easily raise this up and down and have full coverage over their face. Any brand of these full face shields will do. The number 4 specific requirement that they have are nitrile gloves. There are a lot of very specific elements to this. So number 1 is the brand is nitrile, and that's the only brand they're accepting at this time. That's spelled Nitrile. Nitrile is the brand. Latex free is what it needs to be. And what they really need right now are an assortment of both medium and large gloves. Now, they prefer that these gloves are sterile, but they can also be non-sterile. Any color of these gloves will be accepted. They come in clear, black, purple, blue. Any color is good. It just needs to be nitrile, latex-free, preferring sizes medium and large. Again, you must not have the box open. It has to be a closed box, brand new. The 5th item that's prioritized on this list are bleach wipes. Now, these are antibacterial wipes or disinfectant wipes, and when you're seeing people asking for these, I got clarification, they don't have to be Clorox wipes. In fact, I wanted to show you this as an example. This is the Costco brand, and it says disinfecting wipes kills 99% of germs. And the active ingredient, again, she said to think of it like that hand sanitizer. It needs to have that 60% higher or higher of this disinfectant. So this is the Costco brand. There's Clorox, there's other kinds. That's their number 5 priority. Again, 2 things to consider for all of these things. Number 1, again, only closed boxes, nothing open, nothing partially used, just brand new at this time. Number 2, expiration dates. Many of these products might have expiration dates on them, and she said, don't worry, bring them in anyway because they are being waived at this time. Now, what are the next steps? Once you've curated all your donations, what you want to do is you want to call somebody at the hospital to meet you on the curb for a pickup because we're not allowed to go into the hospitals. That number that you want to call is 425-899-1900. Again, that's 425-899-1900. So you're going to call somebody to meet you outside of the hospital. And the specific location at Evergreen is their central entrance. If you know where the maternity center is, that's the area, the maternity center roundabout. So you'll go there, you'll call somebody, and they'll come out and they'll pick up your donations. Now, if you should have further questions about PPE requirements or donations, Jennifer is your contact, Monday through Friday from 9 to 5 p.m. And this is her direct number. It's 425-899-1998. Again, 425-899-1998. She is the contact for PPE donations. If you want to look online, you can find some additional information at evergreenhealthfoundation.com. And that's Evergreen Health, all spelled out, foundation.com. I want to say just a couple of last quick things. One is thank you so much to Sharon Duman. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. She is in our Kirkland Be Neighborly Facebook group where I saw that there is a lot of desire to help in this area, and we just had some additional questions. We are eager to come together as a community, and I want you to know that if you have donations that you need to have picked up because you at this time aren't able to leave your house for whatever reason, you can call me and I will pick those up from you here in Kirkland. If you want to contribute financially so that we can buy donations, you can coordinate that with me as well. Again, my name is Kim Peterson, and my phone number is 425-503-9885. Again, 425-503-9885. And if it's easier for you, my email is kim@uniquelysavvy.com, and that's UNIQUELY, S as in Sam, A, V as in Victory, V as in Victory.com, uniquelysavvy.com. So I hope this is helpful. I also talked to someone who has information on what's needed for food and for feeding our folks there at the hospital, and that will be coming next. Make it a great day. Bye for now. It's Kim Peterson.